Welcome to day 28 of your meditation journey. Today, we will focus on cultivating joy and gratitude within ourselves. Gratitude is a powerful tool that can transform our perspective and bring us closer to the positive aspects of life. Joy comes from within, and when we allow ourselves to connect with it, we open the door to more happiness and contentment. This 5-minute meditation will guide you to embrace both joy and gratitude, helping you shift your energy into a more positive and uplifting space. Find a quiet space, sit or lie comfortably, and let's begin. Start by finding a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Allow your body to settle into the ground or chair, and gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through your nose, and as you exhale through your mouth, feel any tension or stress begin to melt away. Take a moment to notice how your body feels in this moment. Are there any areas of tightness or discomfort? Without judgment, simply acknowledge them. As you breathe in deeply, imagine sending your breath to those areas, and as you exhale, release any tension or discomfort, allowing your body to soften and relax. Now, bring your awareness to your breath. Notice the natural rhythm of your inhale and exhale. Allow each breath to be a reminder of the present moment, grounding you in the here and now. With every inhale, feel a sense of calm entering your body, and with every exhale, feel yourself letting go of any worries or distractions. As you continue to breathe deeply and slowly, I want you to begin thinking about something you are grateful for. It could be something big or small, but choose something that brings warmth to your heart. It might be a loved one, a moment of joy, a recent achievement, or even the gift of simply being alive. Allow this feeling of gratitude to fill your heart, as if it were a warm, golden light. With each breath, feel this gratitude expanding within you, radiating from your heart and filling your entire being. You are surrounded by this beautiful light of appreciation and love. Now, allow that gratitude to shift into joy. Think of a moment that made you smile, something that brought you a deep sense of happiness, or even a simple pleasure you've experienced today. Feel the joy that arises in you from this memory, and let it fill you completely. Let it rise within you, like a joyful light spreading from your heart outward, filling your body with positive energy. With every breath you take, allow this feeling of joy to grow stronger. Imagine this joy becoming a vibrant energy, lighting up your entire body, filling every cell with happiness and peace. You are a vessel of joy, and it flows freely within you. As you continue to focus on this joy, silently repeat the following affirmation to yourself. I am grateful for the abundance in my life. I welcome joy and allow it to flow through me. Feel the truth of these words as they settle deep within your heart. You are deserving of joy, and it is available to you in every moment. With each breath, you draw more joy into your life, and with each exhale, you release any negativity or resistance to this positive energy. Take a few moments now to simply bask in this feeling of gratitude and joy. Allow yourself to experience it fully, feeling thankful for all that you have and the beautiful moments that bring happiness into your life. Recognize that joy is always accessible to you, and you have the power to choose it. Now, slowly begin to bring your awareness back to the present moment. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, gently wiggle your fingers and toes. When you're ready, open your eyes, carrying this sense of gratitude and joy with you throughout the rest of your day. Thank you for joining me on day 28 of your meditation journey. I hope you feel more connected to the joy and gratitude within you. Remember, you can return to this practice anytime you need to reconnect with positive energy and cultivate happiness. Take a deep breath and know that you are worthy of all the joy and love the world has to offer. Thank you for meditating with me. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe. This helps my channel a lot. Or share your experience with your meditation in the comments. Come back daily to build your habit. Thank you so much and see you tomorrow.